and I'm living like proof. Really, I got it with no other option. You living in Gotham while I live in truth. Ooh, really, they think it's all like I'm Timmy, yeah. Talking that life, I'm like, gimme, yeah. I live forever infinity. We gon' live forever now. Yeah. We gon' live forever now. With you, love, we're better, yeah. On this straight forever.
Yes, sir.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a holiday Christmas makeup look. Since some of us, me, are in lockdown, I'm just going to show you like a makeup look that I would do if I had some place to go for Christmas, which is this makeup look. So if you like to learn how to achieve this Christmas holiday makeup look, then keep on watching. Starting off with a fresh face and mouthing off to one of my favorite songs, I'm priming my face with the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Love this stuff, so good. And then my eyebrows already done, and I am going to go into my Fenty Beauty foundation and my LA Girl Pro concealer, and priming my eyelids, and yeah, just getting them primed. Next, I'm going to go into my Too Faced chocolate palette, and I'm going to be using Mocha to smoke out the outer corners of my eyes and just bring it in a little bit as well. It's going to be really light, so yeah. And then next, I'm going to use Bay in the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and also set the inner part of my eyes, and you know, just set everywhere. Next, I'm using my eyeliner from Essence and giving that winged eyeliner. Check it out. Thank you. Next, I'm using my Cover FX custom enhancer drops and mixing it with my Fenty Beauty foundation just to give me a little bit of a glow and to have an all, you know, just a natural look, you know. So I'm dotting that all over my face. And then I am going to go into my fluffy foundation brush and dip it into the rest of the foundation that is on my palette and just spread it all over. One thing I noticed was that my Fenty Beauty was drying up real quick, so I decided to use my Dewy Finish setting spray by NYX Cosmetics and just spray it all over my face, so then it makes it easy for me to spread the foundation on my face evenly. So yeah. And then next, I'm going into my LA Girl Pro Concealer again, and I am going to highlight under my eyes, my Cupid's bow, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin area. Basically, where the light hits, I want to have my highlights pop, you know. And so, just applying the product and then using my beauty blender and spreading it evenly, pushing it into my skin so that it spreads evenly and there are no crease lines. But I think it's too much, you know. So I decided to use my foundation brush, which already had some foundation on it, just to blend out the concealer. And then I also went back into my foundation again to blend out every harsh line that I was seeing because I hated it so much. Next, using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set the highlighted areas. I'm not baking because I don't want to bake, and also I don't want a cakey look. And one thing I've noticed about this setting powder is that it really bakes, so a little goes a long way. So I just use a little bit and set the areas. Next, I'm using the Sleek Makeup Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm just contouring my face, adding dimension, because this girl's been eating so much and has been putting on weight lately. Hello COVID, you are doing me dirty. But anyways, contour all the fatty cheeks away. Next, I'm using my blush from Sleek Makeup Cosmetics and just blush, adding some color to my face because my face was looking kind of flat and very boring. So yeah, I love me some blush. And then next, I'm going back into my foundation brush and just pushing in the rest of the setting powder that was left, and then dragging it out and brushing it away. Next, I use my NYX Cosmetics No Filter what's it called? Bronzer, and I'm just adding some more color back into my face because I don't want my face to be looking different from the rest of my body, like my color, you know what I mean. And also blending any harsh lines that I may have had from contouring as well. And next I'm using my black pencil. I think this is from Essence as well. I really like this pencil because, you know, it's really pigmented. And next I'm using black truffle from Huda Beauty, and I am just setting the eyeliner because I don't want it moving around so much. So yeah. And then next I'm using this color from Huda Beauty. I don't remember, it's going to be in the comment section. And I am just smoking my waterline. Next I'm using my trophy wipe from Fenty Beauty and just, you know, highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, just adding some pop and some excitement to this makeup look because it's really simple. And then I'm also going to define the inner corners of my eyes because I like that look. I like it when the inner corners of my eyes look well defined because I don't really have that. Mine are rounded, they're not pointed. So yeah, I'm just defining it, as you can see, carefully as well because I've made so many mistakes before. So yeah, this is how it looks. Next I'm using Whisper of Gilt from MAC Cosmetics. This highlighter is so amazing. It gives this natural glow, which I absolutely love. You guys should try out this highlighter. Seriously, it's so beautiful. So I'm just highlighting my key areas, as you can see, my forehead, nose, cheeks, chin, Cupid's bow, you know the works. That's how we do. That's how we do. And then next I'm going to go into my MAC Cosmetics lipstick in Ruby Woo. This lipstick has lasted for time and it looks like it's almost finished and I don't want it to finish. Oh my gosh. But I love it. I love this lipstick. It's amazing. It's such a sexy lipstick. I didn't want to use that word, but anyways, it's really sexy. So this is the final look, guys. But wait, I have to get my wig. And this is the true final look. I love this look. It's simple, it's easy, it's wearable, and it's festive as well. So let me know what you think about this look. Comment down below. Make sure you do. And hope you have an amazing Christmas. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, to comment, and to subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or any questions, make sure you drop them down below. And yeah, hope you have an amazing Christmas and a happy new year. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.